Ready to turn those cold calls into hot leads using Follow Up Boss. First, immediately after or even during the call, create a new contact in Follow Up Boss. This ensures every interaction, successful or not, gets logged. Click the plus icon, then add their name, number, and any other details you gathered during the conversation. The more info, the better. Next, utilize the notes section. Meticulously document everything discussed, their pain points, their interest level, any objections they raised, and any agreed upon next steps. This is your memory bank for future interactions. Now, assign yourself or a team member a follow-up task. Set specific date and time to reconnect based on the conversation. This keeps leads from falling through the cracks. Use Follow Up Boss's calendar integration to remind you. After that, tag the contact based on their interest level or the topic of conversation. For example, use tags like interested, not interested, or needs. Financing segmentation allows you to tailor your future outreach efforts for maximum impact. Finally, leverage Follow Up Boss's reporting features to analyze your cold calling performance, track your call volume, conversion rates, and identify areas for improvement. Knowing where you stand helps you optimize your strategy.